Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have seen a good swing. Yesterday we had expected it to drop a little before gaining, but both traded with a massive swing. In fact, US30 had gone close to the previous highs and dropped strongly towards the end of the US cash sessions. Likewise with US100. Now, what to expect today? Which position we should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First, we'll look into NASDAQ 100. Next, the US Dow Jones. And remember, the next update is going to be released before the US cash session, so do not miss that and hence press the bell icon. Now, let's have a look at the US 100 movement. You can find out 11,700 now is the maximum support, which is restraining it from further downside move. And see, it is still trying to uh, trade in this formation. Now for it to break past by, I will wait for it to sustain above 11,800, only above which you can expect a little bullish move. So once it trades above 11,800, you can take a buy position and you can expect it to rise. Till the time it trades below 11,800, just trade slowly, and below 11,700, below that certainly you can expect a good drop. See directional movement moderately bearish here. The stochastic is at bottom and looking forward to an upward move. The MACD is bearish here, and see it is looking forward to a crossover for a bullish move. The RSI is trading near to the highs, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you can see first thing is, see it is creating a little higher base. Second thing is, it is still trying to break out of this consolidation and looking upwards again, and hence yes, you can expect a little rise. If you see it trading in fact above 11,780, you can buy, but then 11,820, 11,800, 820 levels should be good resistance. Beyond that, we may see it hitting 11,840, 850 zone. See, this is not only a pivot level but also good resistance at 11,840. We had mentioned it many a times. The directional movement moderately bullish. The stochastic comfortable. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is not yet lost its bearish momentum. It can continue to trade with divergence. RSI trading near to the highs, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, you will find it is trying to trade in this channel. This is a bullish channel. Any breakdown below 11,700 this time should be taken seriously, and then we can consider it for 11,600, 11,550, and then below that a stronger drop for 11,400 cannot be denied. So take 11,600, 11,700 as a serious level. Today below that you can consider it for a good drop. Till the time it trades above 11,700, it is looking forward to a little rise. Look at the directional movement. This is bullish here. The stochastic is looking downwards on the 3-hour charts. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and bearish. I'll wait for it to, if it shows you sign of conversion, possibly it is looking forward to a reversal. I'll wait for it to give you a sign. The RSI trading near to the highs, again looking forward to enter into overbought levels. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, you'll find, see these two candles are important, almost same bottom lower highs, and then in some you have to see these candles in this zone. Now see this, it is further a squeezing triangle, and that is why I say 11,700 is now is very important for US 100. And once it sustains above 11,700, expect a very good drop for 11,600 below levels. Till 11,840, 11,850, I will not recommend, I will not expect it to trade bullish. The directional movement is moderately bullish. The stochastic is comfortable. The MACD has just taken a crossover. This is a sell crossover after long time. Possibly we may expect it to continue this. RSI trading near to the overbought levels. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, now see this, on the daily chart, the previous candle was in red and it has given you higher lows. See, this is an you can say a flag formation, but it is also a narrowing triangle. On the upside, 11,900 till 11,880, 900, do not consider this as bullish. Till 11,700, do not consider this as bearish. Below 700, good drop up, and above 11,880, 900, it is going to fly high for 12,000 plus levels. Directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is overbought on the daily charts. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is trading near to the highs. Considering this, yes, you can buy at 11,780 today, but those who only want to gain a little should buy at 11,780. Target should be 800, 820, 840, 860. In fact, 880 and 900. These can be achieved every 20 points. You have to just book your profit. That is what I can say. And just keep trading. Every 20 points you have to book, you have to retrade, you have to book, you have to retrade till 880, 900. It can reverse any point of time, and then below 700 certainly we may see a very good drop for 11,600, 11,500 levels to be seen. And in fact it can drop below 11,500. A good drop cannot be denied till 11,400 levels. So sell at 11,600. Certainly you can expect a good drop. So sell at 11,700, expect 600, very good support, and below that a good drop cannot be denied. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, before I proceed to Dow Jones, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The 17th batch starts on 28th of November. This is the last batch for this year, and joining this batch will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader from next year onwards. Let not next year be the same year where you have not much of confidence. Let's start this year with strong confidence, strong strategies for you to profit. Reach out to me for more details for my mentorship batch via email or telegram. See, the ID is mentioned in the home page. When you go to the channel homepage, there is a about tab, and in the about channel tab you will find the channel description. In that my Gmail ID and my telegram IDs are mentioned. Reach out to only those IDs mentioned in the channel description. And yes, if you want to trade as per with me, as per my signals, you can join my signals channel too on telegram. Reach out to me for more details on same. My and the same IDs remains hold good for reaching out for the signals channel too. Now let's have a look at US30 on the hourly charts. See, US30 on the hourly chart, it has certainly formed a double top there. And yes, rise, retracement, consolidation, double top, sharp drop here. Any point of time, if you see it trading below 33,500 today, sell there for 33,400, 300, and in fact it can drop for 233,000, cannot be denied. Very very clear, 33,500 you should look out for. Now look at this zone, you can find out these levels are very very important. So yes, 33,700 is the level beyond which you can remain long. In fact, on the downside for the day, you can sell at 33,550, and above 33,700 you can buy. So in between 33,550 and 33,700 for this 150 points, stay alert, do not take any position. Beyond 33,700 we can expect 33,750, 800, 850, 900, in fact 34,000 again. The directional movement moderately bearish here. The stock IST has seen the bottom, now looking forward to a little rise. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. The stock IST is looking, RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also this is showing a little rise. Possibility exists that it may try to gain a little till towards 33,700, and once it trades above 33,700, little more breakout on the upside cannot be denied. You have to be cautious there. And also look at this 33,700, certainly going to be a good resistance. At the same time, yes, 33,550, in fact rather let me narrow it a bit, sell it at 33,590, 580 itself. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stock IST is now at bottom and looking forward to a rise. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. The RSI is trading flat near to the highs. Likewise, if you see the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, it is showing you a little support there at 33,550 levels. You can sell there at 33,590 today. Expect 33,550, 500 to provide a major support. Below 33,500 we can see a very good drop. On the 3-hour charts, retracement sharp drop cannot be denied. Directional movement is moderately bullish. The stock IST is trading at oversold levels, and if you look at the MACD, this is trading bearish and divergent. The RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, it is showing a reversal here. This is the first red candle. We can expect series of red candles. In fact, it can drop till towards 33,300, 200, and in fact 33,000 levels. So I will wait for it to break past 33,500 for it to sustain the bearish momentum. But in the advance, you can sell there at 33,590. Remember, 33,550, 500 zone is going to play a very important role. Below that, it is going to crash heavily on the downside. Directional movement moderately bullish. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is trading flat near to the highs there. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. See the previous two candles and this candle. See, flat top, resistance on the downside. Once it trades below this zone at 33,550, 500, you can expect a very good sharp breakdown. Remember this fact. In fact, achieving these levels at 33,800, 900, it can reverse any point of time. You have to be cautious and alert there. The directional movement is divergent and bearish. The stochastic is extremely overbought. The MACD is trying to cross over at the highs. Now the RSI is trading at top. So see, we are looking forward to a bearish move, but I'll wait for it to break past 33,500 for it to confirm the bearish momentum. However, you can sell there at 33,580, 590 levels. Expect 33,550, 500 level zone to provide a good support. Below that, we may see a very good drop. In fact, if it rises still towards 33,800 levels today, that is also level at which you can try to initiate a sell entry. So buy at 33,700 and expect it to rise. Sell at 33,580 and expect it to drop. But in the zone between 33,500 and 33,900 levels today, 33,800, 900 levels today, you have to stay cautious. Any breakout above and below should be a good indication that it is trying to trade a direction. In fact, 33,970, which is a triple top, you have to be cautious of this. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.